So basically, everyone to know how AI works. Okay, so it's not a very complicated process on how AI works. It's just basically pulling information from the web and taking that data that we already have on the web, like we normally do to build stuff, and it's creating whatever project or algorithm that we set it to be. And so, like, using AI tools is just a faster way to get certain tasks done. Don't get too caught up and too involved because a lot of it's just SaaS software. It's basically software that's just going to the internet, scraping and putting together like certain key features. And you just have to use it to your advantage and know how to use it to your advantage. It's not a very complicated thing. The AI software we use Google, use the information you share on Google, such as your Google business listings, to create websites for you. And so a lot of the times the images can be used from Google or ChatGPT, or for instance, I use Leonardo to also create images as well. So it really depends on what's your end goal, or what you're trying to do uh, with AI. And that's what I could say, is how it works. It's like if you're looking to build a website, you might use AI software that's pulling from Google. If you're looking to make trades, then you might be using something that's probably using ChatGPT or TradeBots and things of that nature. So most AI is pulling data from what they get from the internet. And me, right now, I'm just logging into Leonardo. I'm about to create this cool images here, but a lot of times it's just software that's scraping Google, putting that software together. Really, that's it. It's not really too much. I know a lot of people overcomplicate the process and say, "Oh, where is our data being stored?" and stuff like that. You don't ask Google that. And majority of software is storing data on the same platforms. All right, so that was an old prompt that I used to sell on eBay, but all right. So what we're gonna do is a whole new prompt. We're gonna say AI. Wait, no, I don't want you. I'm gonna say AI super robot taking over the world. Let me see what happens. Now this right here is taking a collection of information and then it's pixelating these images together. It's like pretty cool. You're about to see what you can create based on the information that's on the internet, and it's scraping it and creating the image from it. And so we're gonna see what happens, what kind of iRobot futuristic AI thing is gonna come up. Let's see what we got here. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. A super AI robot. Okay, so we could say this. I might use this as the thumbnail. Pretty cool. I like this last one. And the last one's pretty cool. And so that's basically AI. That's how it works. Like you just take a prompt and you put in there and then it just pulls up. Same thing here. Like let's go over to G7 and initially let's just put in a prompt. And we're gonna say super AI robot. And now I'm gonna say movie or entertainment, because this is gonna be just something cool. Online entertainment. And let's say we want to take this. Let's just see what happens. I just want to know what happens. Let's just put it right here. Super AI robot taking over the world. Start background. So we got an image. Let's see if we can create a website using AI. And that's basically it. You just tell it what you want and it just creates it, you know? Okay, far from what I was expecting, you know. I did not, this is far off. This is not it, you know? So what I can do is just come over here and move this box here. And come over here and click on this icon and I could just click on images in certain parts of this. Like, let's say if I want to do this, I can click regenerate. Since it's so far from what I was looking for, I can also just come in here and regenerate the whole website too. Because this is, I click right here and regenerate the whole website. So let's start new. Far from what I was looking for. But that's basically from what we can do with AI there.